Good Monday morning, everybody. Don here from Super Blast. I'm sitting out here in front of my customer's house. I'm a little bit early and they're coming out the front door to talk to me here. So we'll be right back to review the job, all right? Let's get after it. Okay, I'm back. All right, this one's probably gonna get some spot treatment done just by looking at that right there. We'll have to see though. I have never done this one before, so it's pretty dirty. Got these rocks piled up around here. Up here comes the pup. And we're gonna pick up these mats and we'll be right back. Let's get after it. Okay, so we're gonna pre-treat it, mini Mondu, rinse. And I see weeds in the cracks as well. We'll see it. There's just a few of those, so those will probably come up with the wand. And we won't have to use the turbo tip, but we are gonna have to do some spot treatment, so this will be a 5-step process. Pre-treat, Mondu, rinse, post-treat, and then spot treat. All right, let's get after it. Oh, let's have a look at this messy driveway. Look at this stuff. It's still bad. All this stuff here's got to be pump up sprayed. It's almost worth hooking the Zeta up for this. But I'm going to go ahead and pump it up. Won't take long. It's just a small little area. You know, it's just, I'm also going to check the pressure on my pressure washer here. We did run a little low on water a couple weeks ago, and I hear some chatter, feel some chatter in the line. Might be having a problem with that too. I don't think that's what it is, but we're going to check it anyway. But right now it's pretty clean, so we're going to go ahead and pump up, spray everything down. Then we'll go ahead and post treat the rest of it, and then we'll be back for a final review. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Now look at this up here, how nice and clean. Huh? Look at that. Sidewalks look good. This is dwelling right here. Okay, this is the difference. Now I use 1 gallon of SH I did from the front door all the way out here. This is really bad. So this will be the 2nd gallon, and that'll take care of this whole job. And about 10 minutes of your time. We'll go ahead and put this here and watch how fast this stuff goes away. It's pretty interesting. Good way to touch things up. So at $1.85 a gallon, it didn't cost me much to go ahead and do the pump up routine here. You can see that black stuff right there. Let's go ahead and watch that baby disappear. All right, let's get after it. All right, that's how you do it. Took 2 gallons to clean it all up, but look how nice. Everything is real nice. Just gonna hit a little extra right there. That's the only spot that I see. The rest of it came out really nice. It was pretty bad. All the way up to the front door, looks great. Here's some stubborn stuff right here. We'll hit that one more time, then we'll be done. I'm Don from Super Blast. We got a pool cage to do, and we'll see you at the next one. All right, let's get after it.